Hi, I am Manish. Today I'm going to show you how to solve last two centers of 7 by 7. I mean, I'll give you two different ways to solve corners and centerpieces, and you can use this technique for all higher order of these cubes. So maybe 8 by 8, 9 by 9, and so on. So first I'll show you how to solve, how to fix the corners. So say for example this is green and this center is yellow, so here it should be yellow, right? So we have two corners pieces which are yellow, here and here. So what we'll do is we'll use this corner and we'll swap these two. So this green will come here and this yellow will come here. So I'll just show you. We have to use this as R. So R, this as R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, and R prime. So now you can see this green has come here and yellow is replaced with green. So similarly we'll use another, this is another yellow corner, sorry, green corner, which we will replace with this yellow corner. So this two will swap. So R, U, R prime, U, R, 2U, R prime. So you can see this corner and this corner, they are swapped. So all corners are now yellow. Okay, so now I'll show you how to fix the middle pieces. Okay, so now I'll show you how to solve middle pieces of last two centers. So first, let's say if we have these two yellow pieces which needs to be go up. So okay, first we'll replace this yellow will come here in place of green, and this green will come here in place of yellow. So we'll use sliding technique. So this will move this inner layer upside once. So L prime now will move out of the way, and since this is the layer, now we have to move this up, middle layer. So R now will bring back, and now will again bring this down. So L prime, sorry, L, and now again will bring this back, and now R prime. So now we can see this yellow and green, they are swapped. So similarly we'll use another pieces. Now we have two green which, okay, so now we can use this also, we can replace this is yellow piece and this one is also green, so we can swap these two pieces. So we'll bring this piece up, take this out of the way, then again we'll bring this layer up and we'll bring this back, and we'll do the same. So we'll first bring it up, so this layer, and we'll replace with this green with this yellow. So up, out of the way, this is the layer. So again we have to bring this layer up. So up, now bring it back. So now this is white, so you can remember this, and now bring it back, again back, and now bring this down. So now we can see this piece is replaced with yellow. So similarly we can use other pieces. This is one piece, we have to yellow, we can, which we can replace with this green. So this will come here and this will come here. So up, take this out of the way. This is the layer. So up. Now bring this down, and now down and down. So this is sliding technique which we can use to solve this last two centers, and it is very easy technique by which we can solve all the pieces. So now we have this middle layer, we have one piece, yellow piece, which we can replace with this green. This yellow will come here and this green will come here. So up, take this out of the way. This is the layer. So up, now bring this back. Now we'll have to bring this down and bring it back, and again we'll have to bring this down. So now we can say this is solved. This is solved, and this is also solved. So similarly, now we have 3 and 3, 6 pieces. So okay, so now what we can do is we can replace 2 green pieces also with these 2 yellow pieces. I'll just show you how. So this is up. Now we have to bring this. This is the layer. Now since we have to replace these 2 pieces, we'll have to bring these two layers up like this. Now bring it back. Now we'll have to bring this down and again bring it back, and 2 layers will go down. So now we can see we solved 2 pieces at the same time. So we are left with 4 pieces now. Okay, so now we can see these 2 pieces we can replace with these 2 pieces. So again up, then take this out of the way. These are 2 pieces, so we'll have to bring 2 layers up. 2 layers up, then bring it back. Now we'll have to bring this down. Okay, now up, and now we'll have to bring this 2 layers down. So now we can see we are left with only 2 pieces. Okay, so now we can replace with this. So up, out of the way, then this up, then down and down. So this is very easy formula to use. Now we are left with last 2 pieces, so which we can replace easily. So up, take this out of the way, up, down and down. So now we can see all our pieces are solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.